and work inside of our view. So the first thing that we need another view inside of our view. So let's just go ahead, create a view. So in this view, we need to give this view a little bit of style. So we're just going to take care of the style in here and then move it down later if we have to. So the first thing, we need flex direction. So for flex direction, we need to make it a row, and we need to have justified content. So we need to justify everything to space between, okay? And we need to give it a margin horizontal. So for the margin horizontal, we have to give it a 12. So let's just take it out of here. We put it inside of our styles. So we're just going to cut it. And here we're going to say styles dot inner rating. And so we have to go ahead and create this inner rating down below. And then we save. Okay. So you can just format the code. So there goes our code. So we need to have the components that we're going to put inside of this row. So we're going to have two components. Okay. The first one is going to be the rating stars. And the next one is going to be a button, which is going to take us to a page to rate the shop. Okay. So let's go ahead and have our rating input. So rating input comes from our stock rating. Okay. So we need to import that manually. So right on top, let's just create a little bit of space between our imports and our component. Import rating input from React Native star rating. Okay. So here we just need to add the parameters that we need to add. So first we're going to have the rating. So now we need to consume our data, which is this item that we have here. And we console logged here, so we can see here we do have rating. Okay. It's supposed to be item.rating. That's going to be the face. So we have our rating. Let's give it a size. We're going to give it a size of 20. It's a little bit smaller, but it's okay. So we're going to leave them as gold. We could have like made them white. Let's try to change the color, but gold when it comes to rating is the right color. So here we can just say colors.light white like that. Okay. But you have a choice to either keep it gold or to just change the color. But for me, I think I'd go with the gold one. So let's focus on the next component. For the next component, we're going to use a touchable opacity. So for touchable opacity, we're going to require a style. So this style, we're going to give it a name. It's supposed to be a rating button. Okay. So we just call it BTN. So we need to create this style. So let's go down below and then we create our object. So for our rating BTN, we're going to require a border color. So for the border color, we're going to go with colors.light white like that. Border width, we're going to go with 1. The border radius, we're going to go with 12. And for the padding, we have to give it a padding of 6. Okay, so that's our button right there. So we need to add a little bit of text inside. So inside of our touchable opacity, we're going to have a text component. Okay, I'll break this stone, something like that. Okay, 12 is too much for radius. Okay, we get title here, but title is too much as well. Let's see. We want style to our text. Go with 16 and go with white. No title, but BTN text. Not like that. Okay. So let's give a style to our texts. So we need to access our styles, and from our styles, we need to go with BTN text. Okay, that will do. So we just need to have on press. Then on press, we're going to navigate to the rating page. So the rating page is going to be provided for you. We're not going to design it from scratch. It's simple. It's a simple page. Okay. Let's pass it as an empty function for now, but we need to navigate to a particular page.